2-meter string was used to form the figure below. Okay, so over here we have A, B, C, D, and each of them, they have the given length. Okay, so express the length of the string that was used to form the figure in terms of W. That'll be quite simple. You just need to add up all the variables together. And then they said if W equals to 4, what was the length of the remaining string? So for this, after you add up together, substitute the value of W equals to 4 into this. After that, take 2 meters, change it to cm, and minus all of this. Okay, let's just deal with the first part. They say express the length of the string that was used to form the figure. So we're just going to write it down. We have W plus 3 plus 35 minus W plus 2W minus 7. Okay, what I'll always teach my student is break all of them down and use this method I'm going to teach you. Okay, use my method. Always go and write variable and whole number. Variable, we have W plus W. Okay, do you see there's a minus W here? Don't write it first. Write all the positive ones first. So all these are the plus. Then this is minus. Don't write first. Okay, this one also plus. So it's plus 2W. Then wait for the last one. Then here write minus W. Okay, these are all the variables. Now write down all the numbers. There's no whole number here, so ignore. Here is 3 plus 35 minus 7. So same thing, all the negative one, the minus, right, all right at the bottom. Minus 7. Okay, now, then we can do this. W plus W, 2W. Plus 2W, 4W. 4W minus 1W, 3W. So it's 3W. Okay, now here. 3 plus 35 will give us 38. 38 minus 7, that will give us 31. Okay, so we write 31. And this will be a plus. Okay, so over here the answer is 3W plus 31. Always use this method when you're adding on other variables, especially when you see bracket and especially when there's a minus sign inside the bracket. Always use this method, you will not go wrong. Okay, I'm not sure whether your teacher have taught you, but by far this is the one that all my students found the most useful. Okay, so you have done this, done. Now they said that if W equals to 4, what was the length of the remaining string? If W equals to 4, which means that we have to substitute this value into this. So we write the original, which is 3W plus 31 equals to, instead of writing 3W, you write 3 times 4. Because you substitute the value of W equals to 4 into this. Okay, plus 31. So this will give us 3 times 4 will give us 12. 12 plus 31, that will give us 43. Okay, so total 43 cm of string was used for this entire figure. In total, they gave us 2 meters, so we have to take 2 meters, convert it to cm, so you must multiply this by 100, giving us 200 cm. Okay, then the last part is taking 200 cm minus 43, giving us 157 cm. Okay, so this is the answer. Always remember this. So if you are a parent watching this, please remember to teach your child, write down the working, use this method to add up all the variables, especially when there's all this negative. Okay, add it up, then put it over there, and remember to substitute this. Okay, and then go through the entire questions with them, and try to rationalize the question, because some of them, they think that the question is a bit too long. So if it's a bit too long, right, there are some students who will just mistake the final direction of the question. Okay, and therefore they will get the wrong answer. Alright, done.